Hallo, ich heiße Ankit, ich bin Ankit, mein Name ist Ankit. So welcome to my German language club. Today I want to give it to you a very good vocabularies in the topic of internet. For example, because you know what, language is not about like you have to follow the pattern. No, it is about like you have to speak on, and your speaking and listening should be good, right? So today I will give you a lot of vocabularies for internet, like advantages and disadvantages of internet. So let's watch this, right? So heute werde ich dir ein paar Vokabeln geben und du kannst deine Häufigkeiten verbessern. Okay? So Vorteile und Nachteile des Internet, Advantage and Disadvantage of Internet. Vorteile des Internet, schnelle Verfügbarkeiten des nationalen und internationalen Angebots, Bequemlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit, Geschwindigkeit des Mediums. Aktualität, Aktualisierung von Informationen sehr rasch und einfach möglich. Möglichkeit des Informationaustausches. Okay. Globalkommunikation, große Verbreitung, zeitliche Unabhängigkeit, Kostenersparnis. Is it clear to you? So this is basically the advantages of internet. I will repeat one more time. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots. Globalkommunikation, große Verbreitung, zeitliche Unabhängigkeit, Kostenersparnis, Bequemlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit, that is user-friendly. Aktualität, Aktualisierung von Informationen, sehr rasche und einfache Möglichkeit des Informationsaustausches. Zeitliche Unabhängigkeit, Kostenersparnis. So this is basically your simple. I explained 6 and 7 advantages of internet. So it is just you have to capture the what? The vocabularies. I can repeat one more time. See, it will increase your listening skills. The more you will listen to me, the more your listening pattern will be improved. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots. Bequemlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit. Geschwindigkeit des Mediums, Aktualität, Aktualisierung von Informationen, sehr rasche und einfache Möglichkeit des Informationenaustausches, zeitliche Unabhängigkeit, Kostenersparnis, Globalkommunikation, große Verbreitung. So definitely whatever I said, I will pen down over here. But it is just you have to understand my voice first. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots. Bequemlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit, Geschwindigkeit des Mediums. Aktualität, Aktualisierung von Informationen, sehr rasche und einfache Möglichkeit des Informationenaustausches, große Verbreitung, Globalkommunikation, Kostenersparnis, zeitliche Unabhängigkeit. So this is basically the advantages I've explained. So let me take you to, I will definitely tell you the Nachteil, which we called as disadvantages. So first I will take you to the whiteboard. Okay. One second over here. Okay. I think that whiteboard is visible to you. Yeah. All right. Okay. So what I have said, for child this internet. Advantages of internet. Okay, so what I have said, schnelle, okay, Verfügbarkeit, Verfügbarkeit is basically your availability. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und the national und internationalen Angebote. Angebote is your offer basically. Angebote. So speak after me. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots. See, this is how your language will improve. So you have to speak after me. Verfügbarkeit is your availability of the national and international offers. Okay. Bequemlichkeit. Very important vocabulary. Bequemlichkeit is basically your ease, easiness, convenience, easiness. Easiness is your Bequemlichkeit. Now we have Benutzer. Freundlichkeit. Friend is basically your friend. Freundlichkeit. So basically, friend is your friend. Benutzen, we have verb is to use. Benutzerfreundlichkeit is your user friendly. If I will say the internet is user friendly, it's very easy to use. So what will say? Bequemlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit. So we have easiness, convenience, Bequemlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit. That is your user friendly. Geschwindigkeit. Geschwindigkeit is basically your speed of the mediums. Speed des Mediums. Geschwindigkeit des Mediums. It means, now you have to speak after me. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots. Bequemlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit. Bequemlichkeit is a convenience. You use as in it is very easy to use. It is very easy to use. Easy. Your easiness basically. Okay. Your easiness is your Bequemlichkeit. Speak up, please. Bequemlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit. Okay. Geschwindigkeit des Mediums. Is that clear to you? Yeah. So now speak after me. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots. So this is the vocabulary today. It will increase your listening and your speaking also. Bequemlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit, Geschwindigkeit des Mediums. Aktualität. Speak up, please. Aktualität. Speak up. Aktualität. Aktualität, which is your actually, Aktualisierung. Aktualisierung. Update. Actually, update. So this is, we call this update. Aktualität, Aktualisierung von Informationen. Von Informationen. See, I just want to give you the vocabularies first. Von Informationen, from the information. Okay. Sehr is very. Sehr. Very. Okay. We have a rasch und einfach möglich. Rasch. I'm using rasch. This is basically a rapid. This is basically your rapid, because you have to understand about the vocabularies. Und einfach, again, easy. Möglich. This is your possible. Möglich. This is your possible. If I will say Möglichkeit. Okay, have you penned down this? So let's speak after me. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots Bekömmlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit, Geschwindigkeit des Mediums, like speed of the mediums, Aktualität, Aktualisierung, actually it update from the information very fast, sehr rasch, und einfach möglich and easy possible. It update, Aktualisierung, okay, of the information very fast and easy possible. Is that clear to you? May I rub this? So let's speak after me. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots. Bekömmlichkeit. See, what you have to do is the link I will share with you, you have to repeat this link again and again. See, I'm just going to give you the vocabularies over here. Okay, Aktualität, Aktualisierung, Aktualisierung, Aktualisierung von Informationen, sehr rasch, und einfache möglich. So what I'm saying over here, actually, Aktualisierung is update from the information very fast and easy possible. Is that clear to you? Möglichkeit, possibility, Möglichkeit, very important. Möglichkeit is my possibility of the information exchange. If I'm saying possibility of the information exchange, Möglichkeit, okay, des Informationaustausches, Möglichkeit des Informationaustausches. It means possibility of the information exchange. So now you have to repeat of Informationaustausches. Informationaustausches is basically your information exchange. I'm saying possibility of the information exchange, like we exchange the information. We exchange the information. It means Möglichkeit, possibility of the information exchange. Möglichkeit des Informationaustausches. Okay, then we have global communication. Global is global. Communication, that is communication. Global communication. This is global communication. The next we have große, big. Große, speaker, große, Verbreitung. Verbreitung is basically a spread. A big spread, because internet is spreading a big spread in a very vast way. It is spreading. So große Verbreitung. So these vocabularies you have to use it out. So what you have to do is, whatever I have written over here, you need to pen down, and let's now listen my voice. Whatever I have said, right? Whatever I have written over here, now you have to pen down. And now listen my voice again. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots. Bekömmlichkeit, easiness. Benutzerfreundlichkeit is your user-friendly. Okay. Geschwindigkeit des Mediums, speed of the internet. Aktualität, Aktualisierung, Aktualität, actually, update, Aktualisierung von Informationen. Von Informationen, sehr rasch is very fast, sehr rasch, rapid. Und einfach möglich and easy possible. Möglichkeit des Informationaustausches. Möglichkeit, possibility of the des Informationaustausches. Then we have global communication, große Verbreitung. Große Verbreitung. Verbreitung is just spread. Große Verbreitung. Is that clear to you? Große. Okay, let's move it over here so that it will be easier to see you. Okay, then we have zeitliche. The next vocab we have is zeitliche, temporal, zeitliche. Okay, Unabhängigkeit. Unabhängigkeit. Very important vocab. Okay, Unabhängigkeit is basically your independency. If you are using the internet, it means you are not dependent to anyone. There will be you are independent to do anything. Zeitliche, temporary independency. Zeitliche, Zeit is basically your time. Zeitliche Unabhängigkeit. So that is your temporal independence. Zeitliche Unabhängigkeit, große Verbreitung, Möglichkeit des Informationenaustauschs, Kostenersparnis, cost saving, okay, Entschuldigung, Kostenersparnis. That is a cost saving basically. So we have Kostenersparnis. Kostenersparnis is basically your cost saving. Speak up. Kostenersparnis is your basically your cost saving. So let's repeat one more time. So this is the vocab I have used for child des internet, advantage of internet, right? So now what you have to do is you can again listen to me, because now you already have. So what you have to do is, now let me tell you, now what you have to do is you have to pen down entire thing, whatever I have written over here, right? After, once you will jot down entire thing, then you have to listen my voice after jot down at your paper, so that you will come to know the vocabularies, right? So I believe you already have penned down entire thing which I have written over here in the whiteboard. Now you can start with me. Schneller. Now you know schneller, Verfügbarkeit, availability, soon. Schneller, soon, the availability. Schneller, Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots. Bequemlichkeit, easiness, convenience. Benutzerfreundlichkeit, we already have penned down. So you came to the spelling. Benutzerfreundlichkeit, Geschwindigkeit des Mediums. Aktualität, Aktualisierung von Informationen, sehr rasch und einfach möglich. Möglichkeit des Informationenaustausches, global Kommunikation, große Verbreitung, zeitliche Unabhängigkeit, Kostenersparnis. So this is basically the for child des internet. For child des internet. Nach child des internet, I will let you know the disadvantage in my next session. So what you have to do is, now you have to repeat this again and again. So the link I will share with you. Whatever link, I will share the link with you, right? So what you have to do is you have to pen down, you have to jot down basically. Okay, you have to jot down the entire link. You have to jot down the entire link. Then listen my voice, because now you came to know Verfügbarkeit is your availability. Okay, so let's repeat this. Okay, let's repeat this. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots. Very simple. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots. Geschwindigkeit des Mediums, Aktualität, Aktualisierung von Informationen sein sehr rasch und einfach möglich. Möglichkeit des Informationenaustausches, globale Kommunikation, große Verbreitung, Bequemlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit, Kostenersparnis, zeitliche Unabhängigkeit. So this is basically your vocab in your German language. So let's repeat. I will repeat this session again now. I will repeat this session again. Heute, today, I will give you a few vocabularies. Heute ich dir ein paar Vokabeln geben. Und du kannst deine Häufigkeiten, Listening Skills, Häufigkeiten, Speak Up, Häufigkeiten, Listening Skill verbessern, ameliorieren French, verbessern, improve your listening skills, Häufigkeiten verbessern. So, schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots. I will repeat one more time. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots, Bequemlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit, Geschwindigkeit des Mediums, Aktualität, Aktualisierung von Informationen, sehr rasch und einfach Möglichkeit des informationellen Austausches, globale Kommunikation, große Verbreitung, zeitliche Unabhängigkeit, Kostenersparnis. Simple. Is it clear to you? So this is basically the terms I have used. What terms I have used over here? I have used the term Aktualität, actually update, Aktualisierung von Informationen. Sehr is very, rasch is quickly und einfach is easy, possible, möglich, Möglichkeit is possibility, jetzt Informationen Austauschs, information exchange, Information Austauschs is basically information exchange. Verbreitung is a spread. Unabhängigkeit, Independency. Global communication, communication. Kostenersparnis is your cost savings. So this is basically your vocabularies, right? So what you have to do is definitely I will share my link with the disadvantage of internet, wherein I will say something about what to say disadvantage of internet. Okay, in German language you will Datenschutz is your data protection. So I will let you know Datenschutz, Sicherheit, security issues, Sicherheit Problematik, Datenschutz, Sicherheit Problematik, Qualität der Informationen, the quality of the information. Okay, then we have Spuren hinterlassen. These are disadvantages. Spuren is basically your trace. Spuren hinterlassen. Spuren is basically your trace, the leaving the trace. Whenever you're doing the internet, so you leave your trace, like you will be hacked by someone else. So Spuren hinterlassen. Okay, so this is the we have Datenschutz. Datenschutz is basically your data protection. We have Sicherheit Problematik. Sicherheit is security problem. Then we have Qualität der Informationen, the quality of the information. Spuren hinterlassen. Spuren hinterlassen is basically your leave the trace. Is that clear to you? So we have a lot of disadvantages, like we have Viren Programmer Hacker. Viren Programmer Hacker is your virus hackers. Okay, then this is basically your disadvantages. Like we have I will let you know the date in the next chapter. I will let you know the disadvantage, how to explain the disadvantages of internet. We have a social media session also, like what if you asked to me, say something about social media, so you will get a vocabulary German language. So what you have to do is repeat this link again and again. Schnelle Verfügbarkeit des nationalen und internationalen Angebots, Geschwindigkeit des Mediums, Bequemlichkeit, Benutzerfreundlichkeit, große Verbreitung, globale Kommunikationen, Aktualität, Aktualisierung von Informationen, sehr rasch und einfach Möglichkeit des Informationsaustauschs, Kostenersparnis, and we have zeitliche Unabhängigkeit. So this is the terms. So it is just you have to listen this, so that you have to consider yourself first, like is it understandable to you? Is it literally you, whatever I'm saying, is it understandable to you? So if you're not understanding, so again you have to pen down, then listen my voice. Okay, we have Aktualität, Aktualisierung. So it will definitely increase your listening skill. Okay, so I'm sure this will help you out and you will like this video. So I will come back with my next section of disadvantage of internet, which will say Nachteile des Internet. Okay, by the time of video saying.